How to change privacy settings on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually change your privacy settings on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to be able to change your privacy settings on TikTok, all you have to do is first of all just launch the TikTok application. And it also really depends upon what activity or what privacy setting you want to change. To figure that out, you want to just come to your profile page first of all. Tap the three lines icon from the top right, go to settings and privacy, and then here under account you'll find the option called privacy. So you want to make sure to go to privacy, and then here if you scroll down you can see the privacy setting. The very first thing you can do is you can turn on private account, of course, and you can select and turn on your activity status. If you scroll down you can see your comment and interaction, such as what do you want to customize your comments options with. You can customize the mentions and tags, the direct messages, the duet, the stitch, stickers, downloads, whether you want people to be able to download your video or not, or following list, liked videos. You can turn on post views, and you can also turn on profile views. It means that if you view someone's post or profile, they're going to get notified if they also have this feature turned off. But if one of you have it turned off, then you will not be able to get notified. So both the parties need to have turned this feature on. And you can also go to blocked accounts to customize the accounts that you've blocked respectively. This is simply how you can change your privacy settings on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.